Hi everyone and welcome to our presentation of the Children and Teenagers ATM service we have chosen to call My Bank. As you can see here, this would be the presentation screen, the first screen, the screen that is always on, and it has the My Bank logo, which is a bank vault, securely locked, and then it says insert credit card. Now these two boxes here with an X in each one is basically pictures. One of them shows the correct way to insert the card, and the other picture shows you actually inserting the card. This is just our help to the users. Now, once you've inserted your card, you will be taken to this screen over here. This screen asks you to put in your PIN. Since we're dealing with youngsters here, we also have written warning about remember to conceal your PIN, ensure no one is watching you. By the way, you should always have your PIN with you, and you shouldn't tell your PIN to anybody else. And of course there is the standard PIN input system with 1 through 9 and a 0. Then you can delete everything you have typed in the PIN. You can delete just 1, going from the back to the beginning, and you can confirm your PIN, which will take you to the next. Also, of course, let me add just really quickly, almost every screen has this red button up here, which is eject card, that effectively aborts whatever you're doing and gives you back your card. Now, this is the screen you come into. You are shown once you have put in your PIN code. It is welcome to My Bank, and there are two functions here, two buttons. There is withdraw cash and check your account balance. Now, pressing withdraw cash will take you to the screen over here. This is the My Bank withdrawal screen. And what you have here is three options. You have the option to withdraw 50 Danish crowns, 100 or 200. Now once you press any one of these, it will tell you down here what button you pushed, so as to confirm that the system recognized you pushing the button, and it will show you over here how much that will leave in your account. Then of course there is still the ejection possibility. You can go back to the front page to check your account balance, should you decide to do so, or you can confirm and continue on to the screen down here. Now, this page is a written warning. It says, you have confirmed you wish to withdraw this and that amount of cash. Now, are you sure you want to withdraw this? Now, if you press no, you will be taken back to the front page. If you push yes, then you will be taken to the screen over here, which is another confirmation that asks, are you sure? Now once you press yes, you will be prompted for another confirmation that asks you if you are completely sure, really sure if you want to withdraw these monies. If you push yes, then you will be then another warning screen will pop up asking if you wouldn't rather just save the cash, and if you don't think they would do better in your bank account. Now, sure, this is of course a little trick question, because you have to push no to get to move on, while before this you had to spam yes. And then finally, of course, will come the warning warning you that should you continue this illogical course of action with you withdrawing your money instead of saving them, you will of course be electroshocked. Now, should you decide to foolishly withdraw cash, you will then receive your electroshocking. And once that electroshocking has been completed, oh yes, we will electroshock you, then you will receive this screen notifying you that you have just lost X amount of cash from your account balance, and your card has been revoked. Thank you. Your card has been revoked until such a time that you put in at least the exact amount of cash that you just withdrew into the current account. Meaning that the only way to actually continually use this card is of course to put more and more money into the said account. Now it says down here that you have to contact your bank for further information. This would of course be information as to you have to put in these monies or you won't get your card back, and we will then send the card to you via mail. So we keep a reasonable time limit between each withdrawal. Of course, and this will effectively end the process. The machine will swallow your card. You won't be able to get it back until aforementioned time. Now, as said, you could also check your account balance, in which case you will be shown this screen. Now, this screen will show your account balance highlighted, as you will see down here, with the amount of cash, whatever you have in decimals, and of course the currency. And then a little pat on the back. Good for you that you have this cash. The message could vary. I mean, if you don't have that much cash, it could say it could be a motivational piece, a motivational text of varying degrees of cruelty. But ultimately, it is there for your comfort, sort of. You also have the ability to stop the process here, as mentioned before. That's it.